Hi everyone, today we will look at own root roses from three big rose farms: Heirloom Roses, David Austin and Grace Rose Farm. What I like about Grace Rose Farm is that they sell unique and rare rose varieties that other places don't sell. Last year I purchased Priscilla, Notting Hill and a few other. Started raining, so I need to go down undercover. Okay, we got under the roof. Weather is unpredictable in Pacific Northwest. We just had a lot of sunshine, like literally 10 minutes ago. This beautiful plant is Edith Darling, a very nice root. Okay, I put aside. Next, we have Belinda's Dream, and this is also on root. Very nice size canes, and big nice root. Look at this monster. This is also Belinda's Dream. I got two roses to plant in my new rose bed. Next is much smaller plant, and this is Martha Stewart. This is also on root, but this is a new variety. I assume this plant is small due to the fact that it's pretty new to the market. Okay, we'll see how it will grow. This is Power Puff, also on a smaller side comparing with these plants, but the root is very nice, big size root. Julia Child, also on root, wonderful size plant. In my previous video I showed you unboxing of roses from David Austin Farm. This is Baskerville, and I brought another one, and this is Poet's Wife. So looking at all these plants, they're about the same size. These David Austin roses are about the same size as some of the Grace Rose Farm roses. They are marked as 1 year old, and I contacted David Austin Farm today. They said their on-root roses are about 1 to 2 years old. Now let's look at Heirloom Roses. Heirloom Roses, I even won't take the plant out of the pot. It's obvious that the root system is much smaller. This is Earth Angel Rose. It's quite obvious that these huge on roots will not fit 1 gallon container. The roses, the plants from Heirloom Roses, they normally come about this big. Heirloom Roses have about 1,000 varieties. They have 1 year guarantee. In my previous video about David Austin Roses, I made a mistake. I said they have 3 years warranty. David Austin gives actually 5 years warranty. Grace Rose Farm gives a 1 year warranty, as well as Heirloom Roses. Two of my roses that I got last year did not make it, and Heirloom Roses gave me a credit. David Austin roses were about $40 each. They also have potted roses. Potted roses are about $50. These heirloom roses, regular price is about $45 to $65, and I got these on sale, half off during their Thanksgiving sale. And these Grace Rose Farm roses are about $27 each. I also bought them during their Thanksgiving sale. Look at these nice roots, on root plants. These are much bigger. I don't think these are 1 year old. They mark them as 1 year old plants. They can be 1 year because these heirloom roses are 1 year. Maybe these are 6 months old. But these can be same age. These are much nicer, more mature plants. Wonderful roots, wonderful stems. Same thing with the David Austin roses, wonderful roots and wonderful plants. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back for new videos and updates on how all these roses will grow this season. Thank you.